Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Guide your visitors seamlessly. This tutorial unveils the secret to customize your Squarespace navigation bar. Elevates user experience by organizing your content intuitively. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So basically guys, actually having a navigation bar in your website is pretty important. The navigation bar is basically the guide of your audience inside of your website. It will explain the objective of your website in a way and guide them to go through each page, knowing what are they going to be expected from each one of your pages. But having a good and decent navigation bar can be a pretty hard task. In this video, I will show you how to make that happen, how to create a navigation bar, and specifically in Squarespace, how you can actually add new pages, remove pages, add a sub menu, and much more. So the first thing guys, after we open the Squarespace website that we own, we simply have to go right here into this edit button and click right into it. After we've done with that, what we have to do is to simply here you can hover on each section and it will give you the permission to edit it. So what we are going to be interested in is to edit the site header. As we click on it, you can right click on navigation, and after that you can simply click on edit navigation, and as you can see here there will be the elements that you have. So here we can click on show pages so we can find all the pages that we have in our website. So here we have project with 3 different sub menus, as you can see. So and now for this video specifically we are going to remove all of these things. So let's confirm and start removing them all one by one. Here we go, and we're gonna start creating them from scratch. So the first page that should be added is basically the home page. How to do so? Well, basically we simply have to go right here, click on add, and we can click here to choose what kind of page we would like to add. So there is blank page, page layouts, scheduling, collection, we have blog, store, portfolio, events, videos, and much more. For this one, we're just gonna go with a blank page, and after we did that, what we're gonna name it basically a home page. As you can see here, a home page has been added. Now let's add a new page, and let's assume that our website is all about the actual world news and the healthcare and sports. So let's add a page which is going to be called, for example, sports, and what the sports page should have different gender or genre of sports. It should have soccer, football, American football, basketball, tennis, rugby, racing cars, a lot of things. We can even add MMA if we want to. So what we will have to do is to create separated blank pages for each. For example, here, let's name it football. Let's go ahead and add a blank for tennis and another one for basketball. And as you can see here, we have now all the different kind of pages created, but looking at them like that, they are pretty much messier. Here we have home, here sport, football, tennis, basketball. That's not what we are looking for. So let's fix that real quick. The first thing is home, so we're gonna put it in order. The home page should be the first, then the sports comes next, and the sport one which should have like basically some menus. So as you can see here, these ones are not really sub menus. So how we can actually do that? Well, basically after you go here, as you can see, or basically here or wherever you go, you can here see this drop down is empty. So here you should create a drop down. So instead of creating an actual blank page, what you should do is to actually create a drop down. So all of this mess that we have made is actually not gonna work for us. So simply just click on drop down and here name it sport. So click here, add it as sports, and then move all of these pages to the sports page. So here football, here tennis and basketball, and we make it second. And now as you would be able to see, we will remove this one, and also the home page should be made as set as the home page. So click here into the settings, go all the way down, set as home page, and then confirm by clicking on confirm button, and now it is a home page. So if we try to go back and went to the website, you will be able to see it. As you can see, this is the home. Here we have sport, football, basketball, tennis, as you can see in the menu, and here we have the blog page. So this is pretty much easy, guys. Nothing that complicated about it. Here, if you hover, you will find the drop down menu, and for others you will have it normally. So now let's keep going. For example, let's say that we want to add a store. What you'll have to do, click here, name, like choose a template to go for. I'm going with this one, and here we have created a store. So for example, let's add a name which is buy now, and the store should be added simply just like that. And yeah, we can simply just keep adding all, and there we go. Here we are, and that's pretty much it for now. I just want to see how it looks like. So now we can just put it right here, and it should be added. So as you can see here, by now, this is the cup that we have chosen to be added as our products. And yeah, we have added like a buy now page where they can simply buy from our products. So these are menu of various options that we can go for in order to actually create a good looking and simple navigation bar. Now, another thing that you should put in consideration is the design of the navigation bar, which is basically the header design. So if you click on edit, and let me just go to the home page. So edit, if we clicked on the edit the header, we'll find here edit design. So after we click on it, you will find here multiple layouts that you can choose from. There is this layout, there is this one, there is that one, there is a lot of layouts that actually can be really different depending on what you are looking for. So simply make sure to choose the design that will fit your website, and that will be basically easy for the eye to catch and easier for the audience to follow. For example, here we have the logo, here we have the menu, here we have buy button. Basically it's pretty much messy right now. What we could do is to put them basically as they were at the beginning. So logo, and then this menu, and then the donation button, or we can put them like that, separated each one. So from logo into the menu into the donation button. So after that, you have to save it, so don't forget to save everything you do, and just like that we have created our good looking navigation bar. So yeah guys, with that being said, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.